Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss ratio proportion first part exercise 8a. So the ratio means it's a comparison. If the two or more that like kind of articles are there, so if you want to compare them, it's a kind of comparison. Say the weight of two-person, say weight of one person is 65 kg and weight of another person is 43 kg. So if you consider the two person A and person B, so how can you express their ratio of their weight? So you have to give two dots. This is the symbolic representation for a ratio. Now the weight of A is 65 and weight of B is say 43 kilogram. But I am not writing the unit because whenever you are expressing the unit, whenever you are expressing a ratio, it has no unit. So 65 is to 43. Here it is the ratio of the weight of the two persons. Consider the height of the two person. Say the height of one person is 5 feet and height of another person is 3 feet. So 5 is to 3. You cannot compare the quantity of a milk with the quantity of the potato. Say the quantity of milk is 2 liters and the quantity of potato is 3.5 kilogram. So these are the two different kinds of items, and not only that, you see the units of that kind of the units of milk is, you can express it in liter, say 2 liters of milk. But the potato, how much potato is there? 3.5 kg. So one unit is liter and another is kilogram. So it is not possible to express in the ratio form. So you have to convert them in the similar unit, and then you have to compare with the same quantity, with the same unit, and then you can compare the different elements by means of their ratio. So ratio is the comparison and it has no weight. And another thing is that you have to express the ratio always in a simpler form, simplest form. For example, the ratio marks obtained of the three students say in mathematics, one is got 60, another is 80, and third one got say 40. So the ratio of the three students, say A, B and C. So A is to B is to C. Ratio of their marks in mathematics, A got 60, B got 80, C got 40. So 60 to 80 is the 40. It is their ratio of their marks in mathematics. But I am giving you another idea that whenever you divide all the numbers in the ratio with the same number, or if you multiply it, all the numbers with the same numbers, then the ratio remain unchanged. So 60, so that is divisible by 10, 80 that is also divisible by 10, and 40 that is also divisible by 10. So it comes 6 is to 8 is to 4. So what is their ratio of their marks in mathematics? ABC, 6 is to 8 is to 4. Now 6 is to 8 is to 4. It is all the three numbers, these are divisible by 2. So 6 by 2 is to 8 by 2 is to 4 by 2. So it comes 3 is to 4 is to 2. So the ratio of the marks obtained by the three students out of 100 in ABC, they got 60, 80 and 40 respectively. So their ratio of their marks in the mathematics is 3 is to 4 is to 2. This is the simplest ratio. You see, this is the actual marks they obtained in the exam, but it comes, the ratio of their marks is 3 is to 4 is to 2. Now if you multiply this 3 with 3, if you multiply this 4 with 3, and if you multiply this 2 with 3 also, so you are multiplying all the numbers with the same number. So it comes 9 is to 12 is to 6. But it comes 3 is to 4 is to 2 because this 9 can be divided by 3, 12 can be divided by 3, and 6 can be divided by 3. So it gives you the same result. So whenever you are multiplying all the numbers of the ratio, or you divide all the numbers of the ratio with the same number, then the ratio remain unchanged. So here it is, the introductory part of the ratio. So in the exercise 8a, we are going to discuss about some numericals. Let's do that one. Exercise 8a. Let us consider question number 3, Roman 3. The question is, write a fraction in the simplest form for each of the ratio given below. So 35 is to 42. So 35 and 42 both are divisible by 7. So it comes 5 is to 6. But here they asked that you have to give the answer, write a fraction in the simplest form. So that is 5 is to 6. So 5 by 6. 8a, question number 3, Roman 3. Let me check that one. The answer 8a, where it is, 8a, question number 3, Roman 3. Exactly. So 5 is to 6. So you have to give the answer in the form of fraction. They asked to write it in the form of fraction. So it is 5 by 6. Okay. Now say question number 5. It is given 91 is to 104. So 91 divided by 13, and 104 is also divisible by 13. So that is 7 and 8. Okay. So 91 is to 104. The simplest form is the 7 is to 8. In the fraction form, you may write it is 7 by 8. They asked that you have to write it in the fraction form. Come to the question number 5. You see that it is given, express the following ratios in the simplest form. 5, Roman 3, simplest form. 140 meter is to 350 meter. Okay. So whenever you are expressing that in the form of ratio, so there should be no unit. Now 140 is divisible by 10, and 350 is also divisible by 10. So it comes 14 is to 35. Now this 14 is divisible by 7, and this 35 is also divisible by 7. So it comes 2 is to 5. So 140 meter and 350 meter, the simplest ratio is 2 is to 5. Consider the Roman 4, 1.21 kg is to 22 gram. Now here the units are different. So you have to convert both of them in the same unit. So 1.21 kilogram multiplied it 1000. So it comes gram is to 22 gram, because 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Now remove the decimal. So it comes 121 and 1210 is to 22. Do not write the unit whenever you are going to express it in the ratio form. Now it is divisible by 2, and 22 is also divisible by 2. So it comes 6 and then 0, 5, and it comes 11. So these two are also divisible by 11. 6, 0, 5, 11 by 11. So if you divide 605 with 11, so 5 into 11, that is 55. So the quotient is 5. So remainder is also 5. 5 5s are 55. So it comes 55 is to 1. So 55 is to 1. Here it is the simplest ratio of 1.21 kilogram with 22 gram. So here it is the simplest form. Okay. Let's do another one. Say the question number Roman 5. It comes 6 hours is to 1 day. So 6 hours. 1 day means 24 hours. Okay, 6 hours and 24 hours. Because 1 day you have to convert it to the same unit like this. So it comes 6 is to 24. Now 6 divided by 6, 24 divided by 6. So it comes 1 is to 4. So 6 hours is to 1 day. It gives you the result 1 is to 4. Okay. So today up to this much. Thank you.